In today's conversation, we take you inside a real life situation where a customer walks into an electronics store looking for the perfect laptop. Learn how to ask the right questions, understand specifications, and communicate confidently in English, all through a fun, natural conversation. So let's get started. Hi there, I'm looking to buy a new laptop. Can you help me out? Of course, I'd be happy to help. What will you mostly be using the laptop for? Work, gaming, or general use? Mostly for work. Emails, Zoom meetings, spreadsheets, and some occasional photo editing. Got it. So, you'll need something with a decent processor, good RAM, and a clear display. Do you have a budget in mind? I'd like to keep it under $1,000, but if there's something really worth it, I might stretch a bit. That's a solid budget. Let me show you a couple of models that fit your needs. This one here is a Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5. It has an Intel i5 12th Gen processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 512 gigabyte SSD. Perfect for multitasking and quick boot times. Sounds good. What about the display and battery? It's got a 15.6-inch Full HD display with anti-glare, so it's easy on the eyes. And the battery lasts around 8 hours on moderate use. Perfect for a full workday. Not bad. Do you have anything a bit more compact? Sure. This one's an HP Pavilion 14-inch laptop. Slightly smaller, very lightweight, and has similar specs. An i5 processor, 8 gigabytes RAM, and 512 gigabyte SSD. Battery life is also pretty decent. I like the sound of that one. Is the RAM upgradable? Yes, up to 16 gigabytes, so you can upgrade later if needed. Great. And what about warranty? All laptops come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. We also offer an extended 2-year service plan if you'd like peace of mind. I'll think about the extended warranty. Do you have any ongoing offers? Yes. We have a festival discount going on. 10% off on select credit cards, and you get a free laptop bag with purchase. That's nice. I think I'll go with the HP Pavilion. It seems perfect for my needs. Excellent choice. I'll get it built for you and arrange for a quick demo if you'd like. Sure, that would be great. Thanks for the help. You're welcome, sir. Let me know if you need anything else. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.